Hello everyone. Welcome back to Unday Radar Talks. MicroCloud Hologram stock surged 31.9% on Friday. The stock's trading volume was significantly increased on Friday, with the highest intraday increase of 50.3%. The stock price then retreated sharply, but it still retained a certain amount of gains at the close, which means that the bulls of the stock are still trying to maintain the stock price. Maybe the stock price will experience a correction next, but the downside may be limited, and the stock may soar again. Data shows that the daily capital flow of the stock was a net outflow in the 5 trading days before Friday, but the capital flow of the stock on Friday was a net inflow, but the net inflow amount was not large, which is consistent with the performance of the stock price. This shows that while a large amount of funds flowed out of the market at a low level before, a large amount of funds also entered the market to take over the chips. As the stock price soared further on Friday, a large amount of funds flowed into the market and tried to push the stock price up, but after the stock price rose to a certain height, some capital withdrew from the market, causing the stock price to lose the momentum to rise, but the signal of long capital maintaining the stock price was also very obvious. The current stock price is still maintained at a certain level, which shows that a large amount of funds also flowed into the stock on Friday. Most of the current positions of the stock are distributed in the $1 to $1.79 area, and the current price of the stock is at the upper end of this area, which shows that there are still some bullish forces at the low end of this area, so even if the stock price falls back, the bulls of the stock will not let the stock price fall too much. In summary, I predict that the stock price will adjust downward next, but the downward space is limited because the funds flowing out of the market when the stock price was high on Friday were limited, and the bullish capital that pushed the stock price up did not completely exit the market, which means that the stock price may be supported by bullish capital again after falling to a certain position. As for what the price is, I set it at around $1.34. Okay guys, this is my price prediction for MicroCloud Hologram stock. Thank you for watching. If you like my analysis, please click the subscribe button and give a thumbs up. I will bring you more latest price predictions for hot stocks later. See you in the next video.